Focus on your food, man. What are you guys cooking?
Pancakes.
Pancake. No, that's not pancakes, you fool.
What is this?
It's called French toast.
Will you believe me? French toast is beautiful.
No, well, that's not. Well, he did actually. One before school program, he actually cooked an entire feast.
Yes, I did.
Turner.
Wait.
Last term, one breakfast. Actually, cooked an entire. What do you call pancake? Wasn't it? Was it pancake or was it French toast?
French toast.
Ah, it was French toast. He cooked up a whole feast. Stop eating the food unless of course you're actually tasting it. Well, you're supposed to be, you can taste it to make sure it's cooked or not, but you don't just eat it.
I lick it and then put it back.
No, you don't put it back. Yeah, and it stays there. Is it cooked?
Yeah.
In that case, you know where to move it then. Shame.